What we do here is go back.
What's going on? What's happening? What's good? Yeah, we're in it. I'm just going to do a whole bunch of series and shorts, and we're going to mess around with something. So I want to show you a really cool hack or trick that I use with a really dope app called Canva. Now, full disclaimer, I'm doing this on my own to show how dope the Canva app really is, and it's not just for however you see how people use it online. I'm a mobile DJ, and this is something really cool. So I'm going to give you a really quick story. I'm in the middle of my season, and we're doing gigs right now, and I went out to a site check yesterday, and it was really freaking cool. I had an idea pop in my head that I've been using a few times. I actually did it on the fly. So I'm going to jump in there and show you guys really quick. All right, so we're in Canva, guys, and this is how we're going to make some magic happen. I went to the venue. It's in Hamilton, New Jersey. It's the German American Society. So I took pictures of the venue, and I'm going to dump them into Canva, and I'm going to put my equipment in the room. So follow with me. So here is the picture of the event, the hall where I'm setting up at. So cool trick I'll do now is replace background and bam. But I already know for a fact I'm gonna bring in my own tables, so I don't need that there. This is a cool effect we can do too. So we're gonna edit this. We're gonna do a magic eraser. Now, I don't want you. I don't want you. I mean, it doesn't have to be perfect, but you get the gist. I don't want you. I don't want you. I don't want you. And dot you. So now we're going to click this magic erase. And just like that, the tables are gone. So now I have a blank canvas to put my equipment into this room and visualize what I'm going to bring to this party. So now I have a blank canvas, and I'm going to show you this. That's really cool. Throughout the time, I taken pictures of a lot of my parties and events and weddings and so on and so forth. And I sat in my studio and did the meticulous dropping them into Canva. And there's this fine little thing called brush removal and background removal. So I'm going to show you guys. So here is pretty much a gist of what I'm currently taking out in 2024. I have multiples of this. These are the EV subs when I want to bring forth multiple subs. Here's my Rockville booth XL. Here's the podium that I made, the Amazon style desk that I made. Shout out to DJ Peck. Here's my movers. Here's the ZLX 15s on tripods. Here's the ZLX 15s paired with the ETX 200s with the movers underneath. Here's the new lineup. This is the RCF Evox J8s with the movers underneath as well. So now I have a lot of cool things I can dump into that photo, and we're gonna do that. So I'm gonna show you another picture of this venue. I'm gonna upload this. No. So here's another cool part. Like, I'm really not promoting Canva right now, but I am promoting Canva. I'm on Canva on my phone, and I'm gonna jump into this program, and you're gonna see how I'm gonna drop something right into here. So I want to show you guys the other photos of the room. So we're gonna count down 3, 2, 1, and we're gonna add to page. Ready? Oof. So I did that on my phone. So here is the room that's long. I'm gonna give you a background. I'm gonna replace this to background so you can see the big room. It's pretty long. All right, so that's really quick. Let's get you out of here. And now let's paint a picture. I think I'm gonna bring my Rockville XL. So I'm gonna drag you down here. we're gonna drop you right there. I'm definitely bringing the RCF Evox J8s. So we're gonna move you down. Oh no, they're floating in the air. So I have options. I think I'm gonna put them on the stage. I could put them on the floor, but I'm gonna throw them on the stage right here. I know that one's like angled wrong, but it is what it is. And in my last couple gigs, I've been bringing out this guy to help out with the RCF Evox J8s. It's an ETX. I'm on the fence. I don't know if I want to put it down here or behind the booth, but then I can go even further. And this is how I'm saying I'm putting it behind. Now, technically it's behind the booth. Move the booth out the way. There it is. So let's move you up a little bit up there. Now let's go on to lights. So I'm currently doing a product review and I'm definitely taking these new lights out. Shout out to B-Topper. We're gonna take their lights out and I'm thinking about putting them somewhere. They're moving washes, so I can probably load them down here and flash the floor, or I'm not sure yet. And I'm definitely taking some movers up top. We're taking some movers, we're putting those on. They're not gonna be on tripods. They're actually gonna be on there, so we're not gonna take those because the movers are sitting there. So there you have it. It's pretty much simple. It's just a rough scale, so I know exactly what to bring out. If you have any questions, please let me know so we can actually definitely talk about it. So there was my little Canva hack. So I know exactly what I'm going to bring out to this next gig. If you like that, I got some more of those coming. Please let me know what you think. And to the next time, peace.